Right, so you've got a car for sale, or you're thinking about selling a car. Not a bad motor. It's not new, just wants a bit of a clean up. The best thing to do, get it valeted first, and then if you want the seats cleaned, give us a call, because the car valeters, what they can't do is they can't deep clean fabrics. Okay, so what we're going to do is, on this particular car, in order for the customer to sell it and hopefully get a better price, we're going to make sure that the seats are going to look better than what they do now. So there you have it, folks. The seats have now been deep cleaned and sanitised. Car is going to be valeted to make it look all nice and shiny and clean and everything. So we've basically, what we've done is we've deep cleaned the seats. We do all the stuff the valeters can't do. Okay, so nobody wants to buy a car with filthy fabrics. If you do have a car that you're selling and you want the fabrics to look, all this leather to look as good as possible, then give Pro Steam a call. We're part of the Car Cleanse UK network, and we operate in and around the Guildford area.